The question over here says that which of the following statements is not correct? Not correct पे ध्यान देना है हमें. Some antiseptics can be added to soap. हाँ भाई ये true है. Antiseptics can be added to soap. Dilute solution of some disinfectants can be used as an antiseptic. ये भी true बात है. Disinfectants are antimicrobial drugs. It is also true. But saying that antiseptic medicines can be ingested, it is absolutely the false statement. So if I just talk about not correct, antiseptic medicines can be ingested. Now, some antiseptics can be added to soap. So biothionol is an antiseptic agent. It is added to soap to impart antiseptic properties. ठीक है. सो ऐसे कौन से एंटीसेप्टिक्स है जो हम सोप में ऐड कर सकते हैं? इट्स बाईथायोनॉल बेसिकली. So it reduces the bad odor produced by bacterial decomposition of organic matter on the skin. So A is correct. Now dilute solution of some disinfectants can be used as an antiseptic. ये बिल्कुल सही बात है. अगर हम 0.2% solution लेते हैं किसका? ऑफ फिनॉल का. Fine. So it is an antiseptic. It is antiseptic basically, while 1% solution is disinfectant. So B is also correct. Saying that disinfectants are antimicrobial drugs. So yes, disinfectants are antimicrobial agents that are actually applied to the surface of non-living objects in order to destroy the microorganism that resides on the surface of such objects. So option C is also right. Saying that कि antiseptic को हम ingest कर सकते हैं अपनी body के अंदर. So my dear students, antiseptic drugs are the substances जो stop करते हैं what? They stop the growth of microorganisms or are used to kill the microbes. ठीक है? Fine. We apply them on the cuts, wounds to prevent the infections, but they are actually not ingested, rather they are used for external purpose only. So D is not correct. Option number 4 is the right answer to the question.